आहा हे नाही घालाय जमला काल खलवटी छत्तीसगड मला जमला रे.
What is taking shape here is not a single outcome, but many woven together. Nutrition, income, dignity, and resilience are not separate goals. They are different facets of the same change led by women. Nutrition gardens ensure families have consistent access to diverse, safe, and chemical free food. This strengthens household nutrition while simultaneously reducing everyday expenses. Food grown at home brings certainty of meals, certainty of savings, and certainty in times of market or climate stress.
उद्योगनी संस्था से हमसे सिंचाई मशीन मिला। सिंचाई मशीन मिलने से हम बहुत तरह तरह से खेती किया है। लाल भाजी, मेथी भाजी और हरी धनिया, पालक भाजी, भाटा, मुरई, मेथी सब कुछ हम खेती किया।
As women manage production, inputs, and sales, their agency expands across spaces economic, social, and within the household, within the familial spaces. Income enhances women's negotiating power, visibility, and confidence. Decision making shifts, responsibilities are shared, and women's roles move from support to leadership. Because these livelihoods are rooted locally, they generate work within the village itself. Farming, irrigation, composting, and allied activities create sustained engagement close to home. As opportunities grow locally, migration driven by distress declines. Families stay together, and livelihoods remain anchored in the community.
कहीं बाहर नहीं जाते हैं और सब्जी भाजी बेचते हैं और हमारे घर के हम सब खर्चा उसी में से उठाते हैं। पहले हम बहुत दूर हम मजदूर करने जाते थे और ये उद्योगनी संस्था को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ।
Running through all these facets is a commitment to climate resilience and organic practices. Irrigation support, formation of Jivamrit, Bijamrit, and practice of vermicomposting reduce dependency on external inputs while strengthening soil and crops. These methods make livelihoods more predictable, affordable, and sustainable in the face of changing climate conditions.
वर्मी बेड बनाकर हम लोग खाद बनाते हैं। सबसे पहले उसमें नीम पत्ती डालते हैं। नीम पत्ती के बाद फिर गोबर, उसके बाद फिर गोबर के बाद थोड़ा थोड़ा कूड़ा कचरा, उसके बाद फिर थोड़ा थोड़ा मिट्टी भी डालते हैं। उसके बाद कोई भी कड़ुआ वाले पत्ती डालते हैं। उसके बाद ऐसा करते करते हम वर्मी बेड को पूरा कर लेते हैं। उसके बाद जब खाद बन जाता है तो हम लोग सब्जियों में उसका उपयोग करते हैं।
This is not a story of incremental steps, but of an integrated model where nutrition security, income enhancement, women's agency, local employment, and climate resilience exist together. At its core, this reflects Udyogini's vision: livelihoods that are ecologically sound, economically viable, and led by women, creating stability not just for their families but for entire communities, creating a ripple effect for the future generations to witness and experience.